interest rates and the last day of the quarter, month and the week. 75 points higher for the Nifty, 240 points higher for the Sensex. It's a good start. The breadth is looking absolutely impeccable. I guess impeccable is the word when you see a breadth opening up with this kind of an advanced declination. Just bear with me. I'll look at some stocks. I want to look at Suzlon. I'll tell you why, because two buy reports have come on Suzlon. One is from Novama, other one is I think from ICICI Securities. Who would have thought that Suzlon would come under institutional coverage, but it has. Adani Transmission looks like there's a block deal there. It's flying up right up there. You've got easy trip planners. Volume action is not great. Patel Engineering, where Vijay Kedia has been shopping as per the public information, that is trending up very, very smartly. You've got IDFC Bank, which is looking okay, and ICICI Bank and ICICI Securities. That's the one where the arbitrage and the share swap. Remember, this is one story which my colleague Ankur Mishra really broke it. So IDFC Bank, but ICICI Securities and ICICI Bank because of the swap ratio. ICICI Securities, the swap ratio now will adjust the stock. So 936 rupees for ICICI Bank. Zomato 74, okay. Infosys 1% higher. Now. This is the move which I've been talking about. Index heavyweights have to chip in. So HDFC Bank has chipped in. Reliance did okay on Wednesday, and Infosys is coming right back up. 1.5% higher for Infosys. No news, no trigger. This is pure ETF buying, which is making Infosys look very different. Asha?
Yeah, there's Tatacom as well, which is looking to acquire the US-based CPaaS company Kalera for about $100 million. It's a small acquisition, but a meaningful one, however, for Tatacom. You've got the telecom subscriber numbers as well come by, and Bharti's market share has risen. So look out for what that stock does in trade. Jio, of course, has added the maximum number of subscribers in the month of April at about 30.4 lakh subscribers now for the month of April. So look out for what that stock as well does in trade. For Vodafone Idea, they continue to lose subscribers, and by the way, they've lost almost 30 lakh subscribers in the month of April. So that's almost the addition that Jio has made. Vodafone Idea continues to languish. I don't think the first rates have even begun trickling in for Voda. There's Zydus Life. They've got a tentative US FDA nod for one of their tablets. Look out for that stock as well. There's, of course, TD Power as well as Credit Access, on which some of the block deal reports have been doing the rounds. And I think TD Power block deal has already happened. So look out for that as well. Suzlon, Nikunj was just highlighting that. And now ICICI Securities has initiated a buy with a target price of 22. Gap up start for Suzlon, 5.5% higher. Of course, it will look optically higher in terms of a percentage move because the base is that low. 15.6 is where that stock is. Let's see what 361 is up to. Citi has initiated a buy with a target price of 600 rupees. So that stock as well is in focus, 2.25% higher. 455 is where that stock is. And MCX, the extension of 63 Moons contract has driven the EPS downgrades on this one. So I think MCX is going to make a red start for itself. It's a gap down, 10% lower for MCX as we speak right now. And then, of course, there's AU Small Finance Bank as well, which has approved raising of funds by issue of equity shares for an aggregate amount of about 5,000 crore rupees on the top. So AU Small Finance is the other stock which is in focus this morning. That stock will just come up here on your screens, mildly higher as we speak right now for this one. There's Oro Pharma as well, by the way. The US FDA has said that equipment cleaning and storage controls are deficient at their Anakapalli plant. Oro starts off mildly in the negative as we speak. But for the index, 0.5% higher, it's Adani Transmission, a 3% block deal which has happened there. It's really a time of block deals, isn't it? But Kunal, any stocks that you're punching trades on?